Today we are going to learn how to make this cool navbar in Figma in just 2 steps. Let's go. Let's begin by adding some icons and add text and name the icons. Select the icon and text and add auto layout. Add a padding of 10 and 5. Add a fill to the frame and set opacity to 20%. Create a component and add a variant. Rename them as active and inactive accordingly. Hide the text and opacity to 0%. Now add more variants and change the icons and text.
Yeah, I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Also rename them as active and inactive. Add a rectangle. Select the icon. And add auto layout. Change the icons from the list and add the frame to the rectangle. Group them and apply auto layout. Create component and add variants. Change the active icon of each and rename the variants. Add the navbar to frames and connect accordingly in prototype. Now you can too have this in Figma in just 2 easy steps. Hope you like the video and subscribe for more.